We're fine.
We're fine.
We survived.
We're fine.
We can survive this.
Hey guys, what's going on, and welcome back to our channel. Camping is gaining worldwide fame, particularly in the pandemic. It's better to go and hang out in an open space with proper maintenance of distance. With the scorching summer heat, camping seems the perfect solution for enjoyment. Never forget to include essentials such as caps, a stove, and more. Now, there are new inventions that are perfect for taking with you on your camping trips. So without further ado, let's have a look at these 10 awesome camping inventions. Number 10, sleek first aid flashlight. A first aid kit is one of the necessities for camping trips. The kit carries every possible item required in an emergency. Campers even get to carry an emergency whistle along with a compass. All items are packed in a slim tube that is easily attachable to outdoor gears.
And an oil-filled magnetic compass for helping you find your way back to civilization.
Number 9, portable wood-burning camp stove. The camp stove performs multiple functions and is pocket-friendly as well. The heat from the fire is converted into electricity, so the stove is not only for cooking or heating purposes, but can also be used as a charger. Whether as a red light or a mobile device, all is convenient for campers. No need to worry about the battery of your gadgets being drained out. It has a removable battery of 2600 mAh and has 50% extra power. It weighs about 2 pounds and is suitable for car camping. Number 8, portable shower. The Iron Hammer portable shower is quite useful when the camping trips get extended or there isn't a washroom. It provides appropriate water pressure after being connected to a water supply. Clean water is provided as a result of the built-in filtration system. It's chargeable, so if the battery drains during the trip, there's no need to worry. It can even be easily carried in a backpack.
Switch it on, and then you can have a shower.
Number 7, Ninja Bat portable power station. Power is essential, whose needs can arise anytime and anywhere. To cater to such a need, Ninja Bat developed a portable power station. The power station's battery is 28 watt and can charge from mobile phones to television. It's very handy. The powerful station is quite small in size and can be easily carried around. Number 6, portable mosquito repeller. This innovation is pretty much done according to the camping environment. A scent-free 15-foot protective layer is created by this device. The thermal fuel cartridge keeps all sorts of creatures away from humans and provides them with a safe environment. The repeller is available in 5 different colors and 3 fuel mats, and 1 fuel cartridge is provided on purchase, which can last up to 12 hours. Number 5, Survivor Filter Pro. This amazing gadget provides safe and clean water in remote areas. There's no need to worry about fresh and clean water now. Filter Pro removes up to 99.99% parasites and 93% lead from the water. Up to 500 milliliters of water can be filtered each minute in the device and is easy to carry around. Number 4, GRDE Solar Charger. It's too annoying when you run out of battery on a camping trip. Well, Solar Charger is here to take care of this problem. The device has a solar panel that charges up its 1600 milliamp hour battery. The battery can be used to power heavy devices such as computers. The charging is a continuing process and is done by facing the GRDE device towards the sun. The USB-C support, along with an LED flashlight of life up to 22 hours, are the accessories that come with a solar charger. Number 3, portable camping chair. The portable chair comes in an ultra-portable design. The height of the chair is adjustable and comes with breathable side mesh panels and should be taken for camping.
But I can sit in this chair.
Number 2, inflatable solar lantern. It provides LED light up to 75 lumens and can work for an entire day. It's chargeable and waterproof and also shatterproof. Number 1, Stormproof Match Kit. It's one of the essentials for camping. These matchsticks are waterproof and can light up in heavy storms as well. Water relief. Do let us know your favorite among the ones we've listed in this video. If not, then let us know anyway in the comments down below.